By making your website global and implementing international SEO, you can extend your reach. By doing international search engine optimization, you have the power to drive traffic from other countries. It involves creating content for users in different areas and time zones. So, this post will highlight the best techniques for international SEO. Before we proceed, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. That little notification bell will also help you to be always informed about the latest updates from UniSquare Concepts. Companies looking to expand to a global market and/or those who have worldwide consumer base has to essentially do international SEO. It is also beneficial to optimize for international audience if a significant amount of your customers speak a language other than English. A good strategy involves using right URL structure and targeting. International SEO, country coded top level domains, CCTLD. A CCTLD is a country-based top-level domain which is reserved for a country. These are usually two-letter, long top-level domains. CCTLD is the best way to signal search engines about the country in which you do business. For example, example.co.in, example.co.uk, subdomains for international SEO. SEO involves subdomains when a business has unique entities or products. You can create a web address for unique areas of a website using subdomains. For example, india.example.com, uk.example.com. Subdirectories. Data is stored in directories, and a directory within a directory is referred to as a subdirectory. In international SEO specifically, a business uses subdirectories when it has limited resources or content. When using it, the domain authority is maintained and the execution is simple. For example, example.com/India, example.com/UK. Rayflang tag for international SEO. The Rayflang tag tells search engines about the language being used on a particular web page. It allows you to serve the right content for the right users based on a user's location and preferred language. For example, example.com/EN, example.com/JP. Keyword research to do international SEO. Identify the top keywords that competitors rank for in the target countries. To optimize for target audience, use target research tools to find the long tail keywords in the target languages. Schema markup. Schema markup is an essential component that tells the search engine what the content of the web page is about. You can add schema markup to subdirectories, subdomains, and CCTLDs via Google Tag Manager using xdefault tag in international SEO. The xdefault tag allows you to provide users with the default version of the website. We use it when the language or location of the users doesn't match with the available one. In brief, SEO requires long-term strategy and is time-consuming. Therefore, for international SEO, it is important for that country must have its unique strategy. Do research and build your own strategy based on what country and the types of audiences that you are targeting. However, it is equally important for a business to know how to boost local SEO as well. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share it further with your friends. Waiting to hear your views in the comment section.